So the next topic is salts. So what is a salt? It is a compound formed by partial or complete replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid by a metallic ion or ammonium ion. So salt is a compound which is formed by the partial, or you can say the complete replacement of the hydrogen ion of any acid by any metallic ion or ammonium ion. Like this example is given, when NaOH is reacts with H2SO4, it gives rise to NaHSO4 plus H2. So here you can see the two radical of hydrogen and here only one. It means only the one hydrogen radical is replaced by the basic radical sodium. So this is the partial replacement. And in the second example, 2NaOH plus H2SO4, it gives rise to Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. So here 2 hydrogen radical is replaced by 2 sodium radicals. So this is the complete replacement. And you can also say that a salt is an ionic compound which dissociates to yield positive ion, but that is other than hydrogen ion, and it also gives negative ion but other than hydroxyl ion. Like this example of salt is given, sodium chloride. So it will dissociate into Na positive, that is a positive ion but other than hydrogen ion, and Cl negative, this is a negative ion but other than hydroxyl ion. Now here is the classification of salt. So it is classified in two categories. First one is the acid salt and next is the normal salt. So what are acid salt? These are the salt formed by the partial replacement of the hydrogen ion by any basic radical. Like this example is given, NaOH plus H2SO4, it gives rise to NaHSO4 plus H2O. So here two radicals of hydrogen and here only one. So only one hydrogen radical is replaced by this basic radical sodium. Okay, so the preparation, how the preparation of acid salt take place, it is formed when the amount of base is insufficient for complete neutralization of the acid. So in this example you can see the base is insufficient. This base is sodium hydroxide. It is insufficient for the neutralization of any acid with the base. Okay, and it contain a replaceable hydrogen ion in the molecule. And an acid salt, it shows all the properties of an acid in the solution. Okay, now the next is the normal salt. So normal salt are just opposite of the acid salt. So these are the salt formed by the complete replacement of the hydrogen ion of an acid by the basic radical. So here you can see 2NaOH plus H2SO4, it gives rise to Na2SO4 plus H2O. So here the two hydrogen radicals are replaced by the two sodium radicals. So this is the complete replacement. And the preparation, how the preparation take place, it is formed when the base is sufficient, and you can say it is in excess for the complete neutralization of any acid. Okay, but normal salt does not contain any replaceable hydrogen ion in the molecule, and it does not shows the properties of an acid in the solution. So here are some examples given of the acid salts and the normal salts. So just go through these examples from your book.